Hi, this is Nazea Ali. I have a testimonial for Gemini DHAR, the Take Charge expert. I know Gemini from last 6 months, and every time we communicate, she shares valuable ideas to grow as an individual. My thoughts get impacted with her Take Charge formulas, and it also brings out some good ideas. She had always been a great person to interact with, and her book 9 Ways to Empower had some powerful stories that will inspire you. Bharti Gilani's story talks how beliefs can empower you to achieve much more than you have ever thought of. Gemini's enthusiasm is what I enjoy the most, and her zeal to transform lives truly brings a spark to our meets. Her business strategies work, and I have just started applying a few. Wish to empower many more women so that they can take charge of their lives. Gemini, your I Can Take Charge mug is a special way to start my day. Gemini truly believes in helping people she meets. She's a go-getter. Thank you.